Whether you're looking to restore a family heirloom or you'd like to create something unique for a special occasion, hand knotting is a great way to string your beads, especially your very delicate pearls. I'm Christiane Ross, and I'm going to show you how easy hand knotting on silk can really be. So first, gather your supplies. Of course, you're going to need the beads that you want to string. I'm using some pearls, and you can pick these up at your local bead shop. So the first tool that you're going to need is a pair of scissors. The next thing that you're going to need is your stringing material. Pearls are traditionally strung on silk thread just because it's very durable. The last and most important tool that you're going to need is a good pair of tweezers. Now, you can pick up pearl knotting tweezers, but any type of very fine tipped tweezers will work for you. After that, just start stringing your pearls. Next, slide down your first pearl. So we're putting a knot in between every pearl, so I need to make a knot right against this pearl. And I'm going around, tuck that down through so that I have my loop, reach in through the loop with my tweezers so that I grab right next to that pearl. So I pull until that knot goes up right against my tweezers there. I get my tweezers out of the way. I grab onto the silk on the outside of the knot and slide. And that puts the knot right next to the pearl. It's really that easy. All you have to do, keep sliding down your pearls and continue knotting. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe, definitely, and leave me a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for much, much more. Now that you know, go make something.